you look at a mattress, it's a blind item. No one knows what's on the inside of that mattress. We're in the sales business of mattresses, but we're really educators of mattresses.
Our way of building mattresses, it's the way that Mel and Marty started building beds years ago. We really haven't changed it.
We've always built a quality product. We really don't know another way.
We're about building the best mattress we possibly can. The coils that we use are all American steel. Those coils are going to bounce back and keep their shape for a very long time. Then on top of the coils, we use layers of cotton batting. Most mattresses out there today, being that they're majority foam, are going to break down a lot sooner than most of the natural materials. If we were to leave the cotton the way it is, cotton will pack down. Every one of those tufts is put in one at a time by hand. That tufting pre-packs all that cotton batting. So we end up with a very firm, very supportive mattress. And then on top of that, we'll put layers of soft upholstery from the sap of rubber tree, so it's breathable, being that it's natural. Everything we do is double-sided. You can flip and rotate it. That's the way a mattress should be built. It's a full mattress and not half a mattress. We're proud of our construction. We know what's being put in our mattresses, and we can stand behind it because we built it.